Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram on Caliber Strength Training app. So firstly open up Caliber Strength Training app. Once you open up it, it will land over you to this kind of interface. Here go to menu icon on bottom right corner and now go to view profile. Next, here tap on edit profile. So here you will be seeing social links, simply tap on it and here go to Instagram and here type in your username of Instagram. Once you're done typing, simply tap on save button. So when you go to your social links, here you will be seeing your username on right hand side of your Instagram. So you have successfully linked social links or Instagram on Caliber Strength Training app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.